I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at the Brio Double Suspension Bridge. This is a really great kid's toy that ties into overall Brio train sets. And you can see it's called the suspension bridge. Obviously, it's modeled on the Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco just by the color and the overall design. But it basically mimics any kind of larger suspension bridge. So I've seen this used in San Francisco museums and that kind of thing to mimic the Golden Gate Bridge, and that's probably what your kid will think of when they see it, which is kind of a nice tie-in to a real-world landmark. It's really nicely constructed. It's plastic on the top here, but you've got the actual wooden track built into it, so that's nice. Sometimes these accessories have just a plastic track in them, and this one actually integrates the real Brio wooden tracks. It comes with the bridge. You also want to have tracks that bring it down to the level of your other Brios, so that basically you can have the track that comes up, and I can show one of those. So there we go. That's what it looks like when it's actually connected, so it can go into your set. You can use them separately, the two tracks that come down, or you can combine the two segments of bridge together if you want a longer bridge, again, that mimics the double span of the Golden Gate. Overall, just really good quality, I think, because you're getting that wooden construction, and the plastic actually feels really solid. These hold up really well because it is a genuine Brio product to pretty rough play, and your kid can push their trains over it and reassemble this, build it into different kinds of layouts, and use it in a variety of different ways. I think overall, just really good accessory to add to your Brio train set.